This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in Outlook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Outlook here. I have Microsoft Outlook opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, as you can see, I am currently in light mode, but to enable dark mode or to disable dark mode, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on General. And then on the center pane, you want to go up to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. And off to the right side pane here under Appearance, you got the choice between light mode, dark mode, or use your system's theme. I'm currently under use my system's theme, which is in light mode, but if I wanted to enable dark mode, I'll click on dark. Now it has went to dark mode. Now to save this, you need to go down to the bottom down here, down to where it says save. Click on save. Now I'm going to close the dialog box. And that is what dark mode looks like. And to change it back to light mode, I would just follow the same steps. Thanks for watching.